Some people think, myself included, that it's one of the best looking scooters out there. So, is it all style or is there performance to this thing? You know, that's the question. I believe it's already in. That should mean dual motor. That should mean fastest mode. Yeah. There we go. This has not been unlocked, I don't think, but we'll know later how fast it went because you can unlock this to 19. Shh, it's a secret though. Okay. It's not bad at all. I mean, actually, if you saw it, I got up to speed pretty good on this hill climb, and this is maxing at 15 miles an hour anyway. And I feel, I can't see on the screen here, but I think it got close, or maybe even hit 15 miles an hour on this hill, which is remarkable. So, for a scooter that's, look, I can lift up with my foot. So, anyway, pretty good. Pretty much a little bit further, probably more like 20, 25 feet, maybe. I mean, there's not too many folding mechanisms that kind of like are so quick. So this one, look, and that's it. I mean, it's like the fastest, and it locks in real well.